I'm going to be showing you how to make your natural creamy corn soup. We're going to be making this delicious soup that has incredible, right, health properties, right? And it's always nice to drink something warm at night. At least for me as an Asian, I want something warm. First and foremost, I want to share with you on how to pick your corn. Okay, now, and which part of the corn that you should not be using. First things first is that get organic corn, right? That is rule number one. Now, of course, I know many of us say that, Mark, but corn is GMO. Is there non-GMO corn? Unfortunately, all corn is GMO, right? There is no non-GMO corn. All corn is GMO, all right? But what you want to get is you want to get the corn that is not covering with pesticide. Okay, that's rule number one. Rule number two is that most people will do finger licking good. You will eat the entire corn, especially at the tip here. Now, this is the part that you do not want to eat. So first things first, after you have already removed or you peel off this leaf of the corn, you see this part here, everyone? Do you see this part here? Right, what I want you to do is I want you to cut off this part here. Cut it off. Right, cut it off because why? This part here contains worms, pesticides, fungicides, all the most dirtiest insects will poo and they will pee here, right? Even rats for that matter. Now, the farmers, when they go around putting chemical, this is the part that they will pour chemical in because this is where the entrance of all the pests. Right, again, it's not limited to insects. It can be rats, it can be birds, it can be anything. Right, so this is actually one of the dirtiest part of the corn. So always cut off this tip of the corn. I know some of you say, Mark, it's wasted. When you see the worms, right, and the poo, you will not say it's wasted. I promise you that, right? And when I saw that, I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to cut away that first, few cm of the corn here, right? Number three is this, right? Avoid corn if you are having cancer. All right. Now again, not only corn, but for cancer patients, it's great to minimize, if you can't entirely avoid, but minimize GMO food. Because again, GMO food is altered, right? It may have an impact to your cells. All right. And any pregnant mothers, right, or you're trying to conceive, avoid GMO foods. So these are the three very important things that I want to share with you guys today. And I hope that this is helpful for you. 3, 2, 1, and boom.